What if I told you the most powerful resource today is not oil, not gold, not even nuclear weapons? It is something smaller than your fingernail. A semiconductor chip. Tiny, fragile, yet powerful enough to shape economies, militaries, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and the balance of global power itself. Every smartphone, every AI system, every missile depends on semiconductors. And today, the world is locked in a silent war to control them. This is the global chip war. CyberTechHaus, security architecture without vendor hype. The modern economy runs on compute, and compute depends on silicon. Most people think a chip is just another computer component. That is a massive misunderstanding. A semiconductor is compressed intelligence. Billions of microscopic transistors making decisions at incredible speed. Chips became strategically important during the Cold War because governments realized something terrifying. Future wars would be won through computation. Radar systems, satellite guidance, signals intelligence, encrypted communications, precision targeting, all powered by chips. Silicon Valley became more than an economic engine. It became part of America's national security infrastructure. But dominance never lasts forever. Manufacturing spread across the world. Japan mastered memory production. South Korea scaled aggressively. And Taiwan became the center of advanced semiconductor fabrication. Today, TSMC produces many of the most advanced chips on Earth. Apple depends on them. NVIDIA depends on them. Artificial intelligence depends on them. Military systems depend on them. Modern civilization depends on them. And that means the world depends on Taiwan. Here is the dangerous part. Advanced semiconductor manufacturing is one of the most difficult engineering processes humanity has ever created. ASML's lithography systems contain hundreds of thousands of components. The supply chain stretches across continents. American chip design, Dutch lithography, Japanese materials, Taiwanese fabrication, Chinese assembly. One interconnected system, efficient but fragile. China understands this clearly. Because the future of artificial intelligence, cyber warfare, military modernization, and economic power all depend on semiconductors. So China is investing billions trying to achieve technological independence. But semiconductor leadership cannot simply be purchased. It requires decades of expertise. Precision manufacturing, supply chains, tooling, engineering talent. This is why semiconductor sanctions became so powerful. The United States realized you do not always need military force to slow a rival power. Sometimes, you only need to deny access to advanced compute. Now connect this directly to cybersecurity, AI security, encryption, cloud infrastructure, SOC automation. Every major cybersecurity capability today depends on compute power. The future cyber battlefield will belong to whoever controls computation. This is no longer simply about software. It is about systems, supply chains, compute architecture, technological sovereignty. The next decade may not be defined by who has the largest army, but by who controls the most advanced compute. The most powerful object in the modern world is a semiconductor chip. And the nations that understand this first may define the future itself. If you want deep dives into cybersecurity, AI systems, and global infrastructure, subscribe to CyberTechHaus. Because the future of security is systems thinking.